Now students, I discuss about worksheet number 5, question number 1. Replace the nouns with pronoun to avoid repetition and rewrite the passage. First of all, what is pronoun? Pronoun is a word which take the place of noun. I, we, they, you, he, she, it or they are pronouns. Asif and Iram went out for shopping. Asif bought t-shirt for him and Iram purchased a pair of red shoes. After shopping, Asif and Iram ate ice cream. Asif and Iram enjoy a lot. In first line, Asif and Iram is a noun. So I change Asif and Iram with pronoun they. They went out for shopping. So you can change the noun with pronoun and rewrite the passage from the given lines. Question number 2. Read the sentences and complete them with the correct pronouns in the blank. Number 1. This is Sophia's book. Dash will give it to her. Number 2. Me and my family are walking at the airport. Dash are going to Germany for a holiday. Number 3. Mr. Saf is my neighbor. Dash is a nice man. Number 4. Sana and Miral are friends. Dash go to school together. Number 5. The car in the garage is my father bought Dash yesterday. Question number 3. Complete these sentences by choosing the correct option. Tick the correct one. The Pakistani team played very well. The coach said the country is proud of him or them. So you can choose the correct and tick them. Sarmad wants to go outside. Shall I allow him or he? From which city do you belong to? Abid is riding a bicycle which Uncle Javed gave him them on his birthday. He loves riding it or his. Worksheet number 6. Question number 1. Use a possessive pronoun from the box below to complete each sentence. First of all, what is possessive pronoun? Possessive pronoun is a personal pronoun that used for person. पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन वो प्रोनाउन है जो इंसान की अपनी ज़ाती मलकियत से ताल्लुक़ रखता हो. These are some possessive pronoun: mine, yours, his, hers, it, ours, their, me. So you can choose a correct possessive pronoun and fill this blank. Number 1. I bought a new video game. It is dash. Number 2. The jacket belongs to Jim. It is dash. Number 3. Me and my family live in this house. This house is dash. Number 4. My hobbies is reading and playing. What is dash? Mr. Usman gave these books to dash. This is not suitcase. It is dash. The red frock is not mine. It is dash. So you can choose a correct possessive pronoun and fill in this blank. Question number 2. Circle the subject personal pronoun. So first of all, what is subject pronoun? A subject pronoun is a personal pronoun that is used as the subject of a verb. In a simple way, a person who is doing a work is called a subject pronoun. वो शख्स जो काम कर रहा हो, दिस इज़ अ सब्जेक्ट पर्सनल प्रोनाउन. Number 1. I am going to the market. In this sentence, I is a subject personal pronoun. Number 2. She fell down from the stairs. Number 3. We ate chocolate, cake and pizza. Number 4. You saw the birds in the nest. Number 5. They spent weekend in their homeland. Number 6. He is a brave boy. Number 7. It is my lunch. So you can circle the subject personal pronoun. Question number 3. Match the words or group of words on the left with the corresponding pronoun on the right. In these words, you can match the words with the pronoun. आपने words को pronoun के साथ match करना है. Worksheet number 7. Question number 1. What's the group name? There are so many different names for different types of group in English language. Choose the best group name for example from the given list. There are so many different kinds of groups and their names. So some are names, group names are given below in the list. Army, swam, bouquet, flock, colony, quiver, fleet, class, herd, bunch, pack, gang. So which is the correct group? So you can fill this blank. A dash of sheep, a dash of grapes, a dash of elephant, and dash of soldier, a dash of ants, a dash of bees, a dash of students, a dash of flower, a dash of sheep, a dash of wolves, a dash of lice, a dash of thieves, a dash of arrow.